In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very beautiful clay butterfly necklace on a clay branch, and it is really easy and simple and you will really love this tutorial. Hi, I'm Shaburi from hookedandloops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. For this project I have used the Fevicryl molded. It is an air dry clay. We will take equal quantity of the resin base and the hardener and mix them in this manner until the mixture is completely white and uniform. When it is ready, we will take a large portion of clay and roll it out in this form in the shape of a branch. Just place it on top of a plastic sheet and flatten it with your fingers and give it a branch like shape. Slightly twist and turn it to give the branch a twisted turn shape in this manner, like this, and give it a shape of an arch, just like a necklace. At the end, make 2 holes on both the ends with some pointed object in this manner, and the base of the necklace is ready. Now we are making the butterfly. Take small portion of clay, make a triangle out of it. The upper 2 wings will be bigger than the lower 2 wings. So we will be making 4 such triangular pieces for the butterfly wings. The wings have tendency to droop down, so we will place tissue paper below it till it dries up completely. Make the remaining 2 wings also. The top wings will be bigger than the lower one, and place it in position. This is the lower one. Place it below the top one in this manner. In the same way as earlier, place tissue paper below the wings on this side also to prevent it from drooping down. We will make the body of the butterfly now. Take small piece of clay, roll it out into a wire-like shape and place it in the center. We will complete our butterfly, and it's done. You can use clay tool to keep your clay pieces in position or to give other clay effects in this way. For making the bell flower, make a circular piece of clay, flatten it and fold it from both the sides. Take the clay piece, flatten it and fold it from both the sides and press it. Since these are freshly prepared clay, we do not need Fevicol for sticking the clay pieces to our clay base. We are now using the clay tool for making the body impression of the butterfly. We will let our work to dry for 3 to 4 hours. You can give the branch-like effect to your clay branch using the clay tool in this way. And after that, let it dry for 3 to 4 hours. It will harden up completely. So it's ready. It has hardened up, and now we will start painting on it. At first we will paint it completely white, as the white color will act as a primer for the paint you will be adding later on. The white color has dried up completely. Start painting on your work. Now the painting part is completely based on your own imagination. So paint it, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. Now as far as about painting, just let me make this clear. It's completely your imagination. You can paint it exactly how I am painting it, but at the end it's your imagination and your experiment that will work. And I also paint it in the same way until I'm satisfied with the end result. Okay, so paint it, play with your colors, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. The painting is nearly done and we are giving the final detailings to our butterfly. We will let it dry completely, and when it has dried up we will add a layer of wood gloss on top of it. I have added a layer of wood shine wood gloss of the brand Dendrite. Now we will do further decoration. You can decorate it in two ways. You can take the embroidery floss and wrap it around this portion of the branch and stick it with fabric glue, or you can take the embroidery floss, make a slip knot, insert the crochet hook in it and start doing chains. So this portion is completely based on you, how you want to decorate it. So when you have reached the required length of the chains, just cut the yarn and start wrapping the branch in the same way as earlier. Only in this step, instead of simple embroidery floss, we are just wrapping the chains that we prepared with the embroidery floss. Now crochet is a very beautiful art. If you want, you can learn it. I have got numerous number of videos in my channel on crochet craft, so you can follow that and make and learn it and make your own craft. So stick the other end with the fabric glue and the decoration is now completed. We will now pass the necklace cord through the holes that we made at the top portion. I have made the cord using the crochet chains technique using the embroidery floss. So we have passed both the cords through the two holes at the top. Now we will decorate the remaining portion of the neck piece with thread beads that I prepared. You will get a tutorial on how to make these thread beads in my channel. So pass the thread beads one by one through the necklace cord and complete your decoration. This beautiful necklace is now finally completed. It is beautiful, pretty, and you can carry this. You will look super classy. You can carry this with any western or traditional attire, and I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and thank you.